Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing me or seeing this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for me. Thank you. So today I'm taking you guys on a tour of this amazing apartment. And right here we're in this apartment. This is the sitting room. It has a very big sitting room and an open plan kitchen. This apartment is so big and so amazing. So here's the kitchen. It has a lot of storage space, lots of cabinets. It has a backyard, like place where you could put your washing machine and you could do your laundry, like spread out your clothes and all that. And it's just connected right to the kitchen. And like I said, the kitchen is an open plan kitchen. This house is a 3-bedroom apartment in the beautiful Kenya, and it's so amazing, so big, and at a very affordable price. You have to watch to the end to know how much this apartment costs if you want to rent it. And this is the first washroom. It has the instant shower, the toilet, and the bath area. And right outside it has a sink, it has a mirror, and also it has like a shaving fluorescent. And so right here we're moving to the first room. So in the first room, big windows, lovely window for good lighting, big storage spaces, big cupboards. This is really amazing. The cupboards are so huge, and it has a very big, large storage space, so you can store your clothes and every other thing you want to store. It's so big and so good, so nice. So that's the first room. So we move over to like the second room. Also has a big window and a very large storage space as well. So this is so lovely, so wonderful, so amazing. That's the cupboard where you can store your clothes and every other thing, like I said. So like I said, this house is a 3-bedroom house. So we're looking at the second room, the drawers, the cupboard. This is so lovely, so wonderful. Yeah, so that's it. Those are the cupboards, like I said, and this is so good. You have space to hang your clothes, to fold your clothes, and all that good stuff. All right, so now we move to the final room, which is also a master ensuite. It has the room, very large room, large window, bigger storage space, like for his and hers, a very big storage space. The storage space in this master bedroom is bigger than the others, like twice the size of the storage space in the other room. So it's enough for you to store everything you want. So big and so good. So there you have it, the cupboard, very big, very good, and so wonderful. Close to the window, so you have enough lighting, enough space for your bed, for your big size bed, either the king size, queen size bed. You have enough space for that. And then you also have the washroom. So right in the washroom, you have the toilet, you have the mirror, and also the shaving fluorescent. You have a sink, you have the toilet, and then you have the space to hang your towel and also your shower. It also comes with instant shower, and the window is kind of is not clear, so even if you don't have a curtain, people from outside can see inside. So that's one good thing about there. So this is the view of the room from the toilets, for you to just see how like big it is. So that's the master bedroom. That's the master bedroom. So this house, like I said, is a 3-bedroom apartment. Lovely, big space, big storage space. And the good thing about it is that it is so affordable. Most times in Nairobi, houses are very expensive, but this one is so affordable. And to me, it's like the most affordable I've ever seen in Kenya. And it costs just, can you guess, give me a guess in the comment section how much this apartment costs for rent. 3-bedroom, master and suite. You've seen how big it is. Just guess in the comment section before I tell you. Guess, take a wild guess. Drop your answers in the comment section and let me know what you think, how much you think this apartment costs for rent. Yes, so have you taken your guess? Okay, now this apartment costs just 30,000 shillings. That's approximately $300. 30,000 shillings just on the outskirts of Nairobi for a 3-bedroom master and suite. This is amazing. This is wonderful. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just taking you around the kitchen, opening up the cupboards and showing you guys and all that good stuff. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you all so much for all your love in my previous video about the Nairobi Expressway. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. And thank you so much for watching this video. So now you know, just in case you're living on a budget and you want a house that is affordable, that is big and spacious, now you know where to go. Thank you all so much for watching and have an amazing day. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you once again and have a lovely day. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.